Hey, I'm Chris with Heavy Heads Records in Springfield, Missouri. We've had a lot of people ask us lately, how do I clean the needle on my turntable? Well, our favorite method right now is the magic eraser. So we're going to show you exactly how to do that. First, what you want to do, of course, is get your magic erasers and then cut one into a small piece. You don't need the whole thing for your needle. In fact, you probably don't need a piece this big. Now, second thing, if your head shell comes off of the turntable, you want to go ahead and take it off. And if it doesn't, you can just put your magic eraser underneath and kind of scrape the bottom. So what you want to do, first off, is get the bulk of the dust and grime off of the needle. And then simply, very gently, take your magic eraser and just kind of scrape the needle with it. Move it around a little bit. Spend as much time as you can. This is not a hurried process. You want to make sure you do it very gently, very easily, so you can wind up with a really clean needle and don't damage your own needle. As you can see, actually, our needle was pretty clean, so we're going to put it back on, and I'm sure it will sound great. Just a little hack, a little turntable trick for you to make sure you have a clean needle at all times so you can get the best experience listening to your records. Thanks for checking out the video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and check out the store sometime. Have a good day.